Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, today guys, we want to make you a nice lovely Sunday dinner drink. It's gonna be carrot and pineapple, amazing with ginger, lime or lemon with honey. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. Stay tuned and remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus page, and the book is on my Amazon 50% off at the moment. See you next time and stay tuned. Lovely and nice. Welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we want to make you a nice lovely Sunday dinner drink, which is going to be amazing in the kitchen again. We're going to have pineapple and carrot with ginger and lime. First of all, you need to remove the skin from the pineapple. Alright? This one is going to be an amazing Sunday dinner drink to go with your roast dinner or the rice and peas with your fried chicken. This one's gonna be amazing. So you have to remove the heart from the pineapple and also this one too. Then cut it up very small and put it straight inside of your Ninja blender. Lovely and nice. So that's the pineapple which I just cut up. Now I'm gonna get some ginger, and I like to remove the skin from my ginger because when I remove the skin it's much better. Then cut it up very small and put it straight inside of your smoothie Ninja blender. Squeeze some lemon juice. I'm using half of a lime in it. Nice one. The next thing, carrot, which is my favorite and it's also good for eyesight. Cut up a carrot very small. Straight inside of it. Just like that. Beautiful. Then what we're going to do now is get some cold ice water from the fridge, pour in it, full up it right straight to the top of the Ninja blender. So you got the cucumber, no sorry guys, carrot, lemon, lime and pineapple inside of it. Now we need to put some honey. We're gonna put roughly about 3 tablespoons of honey. You can inside of it, lovely. And then we're going to blend this about 4 to 5 seconds. Alright, lovely. Sometimes you put it on, it do leak. Nice one. So we're gonna blend this about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice and lovely guys, as you can see I just finished blending it. Is carrot and pineapple with ginger, lemon, lime and honey. Gonna strain it. If you're a person who loves pineapple and carrot and all these things, this come in handy for you. Nice and lovely tropical color. Especially on a Sunday like this, it's good to have a nice lovely Sunday dinner drink. Gonna get everything squeezed out of it. Then I'm gonna just add the rest. Very easy and simple. Lovely. So as you can see, then we're gonna serve this kind of way now. Nice and lovely. So I just finished straight it off. Got some ice in my glass. And now we're gonna just simple pour it in like this. And get that nice lovely Sunday dinner look. Drink. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, guys. As you can see, a tropical color look, and also it just got, like, as I said before, a lovely nice pineapple and carrot, ginger, lime and honey. Amazing recipe. You can do this at home for a nice lovely Sunday dinner drink. So hopefully you just enjoy it and subscribe. Leave your comments below, guys, if you like the recipe. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team Amazing Drink. And see you next time.